Hi guys, in front of me is Realme 10 and let me show you how to clear browsing data here. At first you have to select the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on More icon and select History. Here go to Clear Browsing Data and you will find here Basic and Advanced features. Under Basic you've got Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data and Cached Images and Files. And then when you open Advanced, you've got 3 more, and these are saved passwords, out of your data, and site settings. Smoothly mark those that you want to remove, then pick the time range and select Clear Data. Tap on Clear if you wish to remove it. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done, and from now on you can create a history from scratch. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.